Welcome to Autos Time, where we bring you the most exciting updates from the world of vehicles. Today, we're diving into one of the most robust and powerful machines in the construction industry, the 2025 Caterpillar D911 Bulldozer. The Caterpillar D911 stands as a symbol of strength and innovation. Built to handle the toughest terrains and most demanding projects. Painted in its iconic vibrant yellow, this machine doesn't just command attention, it defines what it means to be an industrial powerhouse. Starting with its engine, the D911 is equipped with a cutting-edge, high-performance diesel engine, delivering unmatched power and fuel efficiency. This bulldozer can handle massive workloads while keeping operational costs in check, making it a favorite among industry professionals. The design of the D911 combines rugged durability with modern aesthetics. Its reinforced tracks and precision blade ensure maximum productivity even in the harshest environments. The advanced suspension system provides stability and ease of movement, allowing operators to work efficiently without compromising safety. Step inside the operator's cabin and you'll find a space designed with comfort and technology in mind. The cabin is equipped with state-of-the-art controls, touch-screen interfaces, and ergonomic seating, ensuring the operator can work long hours without fatigue. The panoramic windows offer exceptional visibility, enhancing both safety and productivity on the job site. Caterpillar has also integrated the latest smart technology into the D911. It comes with GPS guidance systems and remote monitoring capabilities, allowing operators to track performance metrics and optimize efficiency in real time. These features not only boost productivity, but also reduce downtime and maintenance costs. When it comes to versatility, the D911 Bulldozer excels. It's built to handle a wide range of tasks, from heavy earth moving to fine grading, making it the ultimate solution for construction, mining, and infrastructure projects. Durability has always been a hallmark of Caterpillar machines, and the D911 is no exception. Constructed with high-strength materials and engineered for longevity, this bulldozer is designed to withstand years of rigorous use while maintaining peak performance. For those concerned about sustainability, the D911 addresses that too. Caterpillar has worked to improve fuel efficiency and reduce emissions, making this machine both powerful and environmentally conscious. Whether you're in the market for a new bulldozer or simply fascinated by cutting-edge construction technology, the 2025 Caterpillar D911 is a machine worth knowing about. Its blend of power, innovation, and reliability sets a new standard in the industry. Thanks for watching Autos Time. If you enjoyed this video or found it informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with the latest in automotive and industrial technology. See you in the next video.